Well, ready to get rid of it? Yeah. I'll take it for one last ride. No? Well, this is the last day of having her. I've had her since 2003. We got some new people coming to buy it right now. And they came and looked at it yesterday, so it'll be gone in about 5 minutes. It's a pretty sad moment. Rest in peace. Well, if you haven't been to this channel before, it's Aspenwall Vlogs. Today we actually are selling my daily, and the new owners officially came and brought us the money and signed the paperwork over. And this baby is about to be gone for good. And I'll be getting a new in the next couple weeks, which will be great. This thing has been in the family since 2003. Bought it brand new. Oh, it's actually pretty sad to see it go, but we just gotta do what we gotta do. It's time to part ways. All right, let's go. Well, the Explorer is finally gone. It's been a great 15 years with that car. The car is very dependable. I'm telling you, we never had many major problems with it. The only thing was one little incident with the transmission. We ended up just replacing the whole thing last year, and everything else with that car, I've never had any major problems with it. Just minor things every now and then. With a 15-year-old car, you're gonna have that. But Ford has always been a blessing to us. On my end, Mustang, it's not the engine or anything, it's just bad events happen with my car, with small things in the road and everything like that. But other than that, Ford has always been a blessing to us. And for that, I give props to Ford. My friends that I know haven't had any problems with Ford. So, I mean, we're a Ford family. So, I mean, that's just how it is. And I'm pretty sure my next car that I purchase will be a Ford. But we will see. You don't never know. But it's gone, and it's a short vlog. That is it. Well, I just want y'all to comment down below on what y'all think my next vehicle will be. I can't say I will say yes or no to it. I might just like it, but I want to see what y'all's input is on what y'all think I might be purchasing. And I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all take it easy and be safe out there. Peace, y'all. Just saying, it might be a Ford.